In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Redbubble account in a step-by-step guide that ensures you don't miss anything important. Whether you're simplifying your online presence or just moving in a different direction, closing down your Redbubble account is a straightforward process. However, it's always worth it to proceed with caution when you're dealing with online accounts to make sure you've removed or backed up any necessary information before you bid your final farewell. Let's dive right in. The journey begins by navigating to the Redbubble website. This is the platform where artists and designers sell their creative work, so you're likely familiar with it if you have an account you're considering closing. Once you've reached the home page, it's time to signify you're an existing member by logging in. You'll find the login option readily available on the home page. Clicking on this will take us to the next phase, the authentication process. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your email. This is the email address associated with your Redbubble account, the one you've used to sign up or make purchases. Type it in carefully to ensure accuracy. Next up, it's time to type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure you're entering it exactly as it was set up. If you've got it right, you'll gain access to your account once you click on Log In. Now you are back to the main page, greeted with an array of awesome products designed by independent artists. It's a reminder of what makes Redbubble unique, but if you've decided to close your account, it's time to move forward. Head over to your profile at the top right corner of the page. This is where all your personal settings and account information live. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu. Look for Account Settings, a section crucial for managing the details of your Redbubble presence. When you navigate into your account settings, you'll notice various options. Here is where Redbubble allows you to tailor your experience on their site. However, today we're focused on one particular action, cancelling your account. Look out for Cancel Account option. It's important to take a moment here to ensure you've saved anything from your account that you wish to keep, as this action is irreversible. Upon clicking Cancel Account, you'll be taken to a page that requires one final action from you. Here, Redbubble might ask you for feedback on why you're choosing to leave their platform. Regardless of your reasons, the final step is clicking on Cancel My Account. This definitive click confirms your decision to close your account. And there you have it. That's how you close your Redbubble account. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so making sure you've backed up any designs or critical information before parting ways with your account is crucial. Closing your Redbubble account might seem like a small task, but it's an important step in managing your online presence and privacy. Remember, the digital age requires us to be vigilant and thoughtful about the accounts we create and maintain, whether it's for security reasons, personal preference, or a change in interests. Knowing how to close accounts on various platforms empowers you to take control of your digital footprint. We hope this guide has been helpful. If there are any other platforms or processes you'd like help with, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments below. Your feedback not only helps us improve, but it also helps us understand what content you find valuable. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more how-to guides and tutorials.